Welcome boys and girls, this is another tech review. I haven't done one for quite a while, but I decided to start easy and do an unboxing of this Bluetooth transmitter and receiver. So without further ado, let's start. So I got this package from Banggood. Okay, a little bit pressure. And there you go. This is the top of the line Bluetooth transmitter and receiver from Banggood. This product can make 2 headphones or 2 speakers at the same time. It can transmit the sound, of course. And it's got a lot of options. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So we got one Bluetooth transmitter and receiver with double antenna. Which look at it. Okay, and the accessories that's supplied. This is very important because you buy this one kind of you want one of these instruments and you then need to buy all the cables. So here you get basically everything, like this is the voltage supply cable, which is a micro USB. It's pretty standard and most of you have it, but it's nice to have one dedicated to this product. A normal 3.5 headphone jack, and that can connect to any device like your laptop, like your TV. If you have a bigger instrument like TV or audio stuff, you can connect it analog by this RCA to 3.5 adapter. And last but not least, the optical connection which lets you get the best quality from this product. If you have a TV or a streamer or any other device that have optical connection, this is the best way to go. So let's look at the product itself and its connections, its features and everything else. So this is a Bluetooth transmitter and receiver. That means that you can transmit any sound to a wireless Bluetooth device, like headphones, like Bluetooth speakers, and it's also a receiver, so you can connect it to your stereo system or your car if you have an aux input, and just transmit your music. This device do both operations, and I'll compare it to a simpler model which I already have. So I have this product for a year right now. This is the BR4 model and this is the BR5 models. This one is not newer, but it's more capable. This is a portable device. It has a battery. This one doesn't have. And this one have one antenna, so its range a bit short, but in the same room you won't have any problem with any of them. So let's get back to the main product today. Just want to show you there are other options. So this device has to be connected to voltage all time, so one of your chargers would deploy to this product only. What's nice about it in comparison to the other product is that it had physical buttons. So you have a connection, a pairing button, which the other one doesn't have, and it makes things simpler. And you have a volume control. You can change tracks by the volume controls also. In this side we have the TX and RX switch, which means that you can switch with, between the transmitter and receiver operation of this device. And in the back we have every connection we could think about it. First is the power input, of course, but you also have two optical input and output, and also analog input and output. So this device can do it all actually. And if we're talking about Bluetooth wireless function, this is your hub. This is a one in all product. One more important feature that this product has, that it have a bypass mode. That means you can, if you only have one output, you can connect it basically a lot of time. You know, if you have a optical output, you get only one. So this product can have a physical connection, like a wire from your TV to your speaker or your stereo system. And also in this time, at the same time, you can connect a Bluetooth or wireless device, and it works at the same time. So it's a great advantage, while the other products that you use don't have this function and can't bypass. That means either you connect a wireless device or you connect your physical wire, unless you have, of course, two outputs, of course. So this was the product. I will try it and see how it goes. I just want to show you why I use these wireless transmitters. So these are my Bluetooth headphones. It's the Bluetooth T6 and T7 Plus. That means that it has a memory card. And these are lifesavers, you know. First of all, they have active noise cancelling. That means that it overall takes out 35 dB from the noise in the environment noise, which is pretty nice. And the other option, they can pair together, so you can connect both headphones to the Bluetooth transmitter, and then you can watch a movie with your girlfriend or wife together without making noise, and hear it really loud and clear, and also get the active noise cancelling and don't get any interference from the environment. So this is the reason why I own so much Bluetooth transmitters, and I recommend it to everybody. So this was the short unboxing review. I don't know, maybe I'll do a more in-depth review in the future. If you like, tell me so. So I'll say goodbye for now. Subscribe to my channel if you want to, like this video if you want to, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye for now, stay safe.